A $1.5 billion megaproject rewrites history, engineering Bhutan's boldest aerospace dream directly into heaven. Look at this colossal runway infrastructure, suspended dangerously over a lethal vertical abyss. This structure stands as a mechanical fortress, completely shattering the physical limits of aviation. To forge this massive structural miracle, a brutal war against nature begins on these cliffs. Advanced thermal lasers blast the mountain core to clear millions of tons of ancient bedrock. Colossal diamond-tipped rotary cutters smash through thick glacial ice sheets, carving out foundation pathways. Heavy synchronized mechanical fleets of excavators and dump trucks systematically purge massive rock debris. Autonomous high-capacity cranes deploy giant titanium support columns, anchoring weight directly into stone. Automated high-pressure welding systems permanently lock the heavy steel matrix together, creating a tough skeleton. Heavy pouring units inject thousands of cubic meters of concrete, creating eternal foundations within bedrock. Powerful politicians demand absolute national dominance, driving this multi-billion-dollar megastructure forward rapidly. But on these lethal, wind-swept cliffsides, regular construction workers pay the ultimate price. Advanced chemical blasting compounds dissolve deep glacial ice blocks, instantly clearing the engineering path. Hanging precariously over a vertical abyss on thin tension ropes, fearless workers secure the cliff. Colossal hydraulic rock-breaking machines painted in vibrant yellow smash massive foundation piles into bedrock. Heavy automated machinery rolls out to lay thick polymer waterproofing sheets beneath the runway. Automated structural steel systems weave a dense rebar matrix, creating a powerful engineering spine. Giant white articulated booms pour high-performance concrete continuously, creating a solid foundation landing slab. Laser-guided 3D paving trains level the fresh concrete surface, ensuring a tolerance under 2 millimeters. Automated chemical sprayer units apply specialized polymer curing compounds to seal density against mountain air. Heavy diamond blade cutters slice through the cured concrete runway to create vital technical expansion joints. Civil engineers deploy advanced ground-penetrating radar rigs to scan the concrete, searching for hidden defects. High-pressure water jets blast the cured asphalt surface to optimize a high-friction macro texture. Automated paving systems apply specialized hot-mix polymer asphalt, building a highly durable landing surface. Precision striping vehicles paint brilliant reflective markings, establishing clear visual guides for incoming flights. Automated mechanical cutters carve deep rock drainage channels parallel to the runway to divert flash floods. The construction team installs heavy precast perimeter pipes while fighting violent valley winds. Diamond-tipped core drills extract solid structural cylinder samples from the pavement to verify baseline density. Giant yellow crawler cranes hoist massive, prefabricated aerodynamic steel trusses high toward the terminal. Hanging at extreme heights on precarious scaffolding, fearless structural ironworkers brave brutal gales. Hydraulic slip forms climb vertically to cast the terminal's immense concrete walls without construction joints. Heavy-lift dual-rotor helicopters battle violent mountain air currents to drop vital modules onto the roof. Mechanical engineers face heavy wind pressure and dizzying heights to bolt down giant ventilation systems. Massive vacuum suction rigs lift heavy, smart-tinted glass sheets onto the fragile terminal facade. Robotic welding arms fuse exterior metal cladding plates, throwing millions of bright sparks into the void. Heavy anchoring rigs drill deep steel tiebacks into granite to permanently lock foundations into rock. Industrial pumps force high-strength chemical resin under massive pressure into deep fissures to halt movement. Hundreds of neon-clad construction workers build the control tower base right at the cliff's edge. The automated slipform system casts the vertical concrete shaft continuously, defying severe wind pressure. At a dizzying altitude above rolling clouds, brave technical teams guide the glass control cab. High-tech technicians mount advanced multi-layered radar arrays to pierce through dense, blinding valley fog. Heavy earth-moving machinery sculpts massive terraced concrete barrier walls to safely deflect winter avalanches. High-pressure shotcrete trucks stabilize the fractured cliff face, shielding runway foundations from long-term erosion. Engineers install giant modern kinetic shock absorbers into expansion gaps to nullify regional tectonic vibrations. High-precision hydraulic torque wrenches tighten giant structural anchor bolts, applying extreme pressure to units. Automated cable installation trains lay high-voltage electrical conduits inside trenches alongside the runway. Technical teams precision-align high-power LED centerline lights using multi-directional laser calibration gear. Dual-crane systems carefully lower a colossal electrical substation transformer onto its reinforced concrete pad. Electrical engineers supervise high-voltage test pulses through the primary airfield lighting grid, monitoring stability. Hydraulic pushers drive a massive, pre-assembled steel truss bridge across a terrifyingly deep ravine. Automated locking pins engage with immense physical force, fusing the bridge directly into opposite bedrock. Specialized milling machines level the critical transition joint between the steel bridge and concrete runway. A heavy cargo truck convoy tests dynamic load-bearing capacity by driving over the deep chasm. Industrial workers install automated de-icing fluid valves beneath the runway's asphalt crust to protect aircraft. The system activates for testing, spraying defensive chemical mist across the dark runway to prevent ice. Automated winch systems secure heavy-duty steel nets to wrap the fracturing cliff face, preventing falling rocks. Autonomous thermal blasting units melt towering glacial blockades instantly, clearing a safe path for tunnels. Heavy-duty core drills penetrate solid granite rock to anchor a stabilized radar scanning platform. Giant yellow tower cranes hoist a futuristic satellite radar dome despite facing extreme wind gusts. Technicians route advanced fiber optic communication networks through heavily fortified concrete underground bunkers to protect data. Heavy industrial graders flatten the final critical safety overrun zone right at the absolute cliff edge. Hanging at dizzying heights on thin ropes, fearless teams secure heavy emergency arrestor gear. High-precision hydraulic pistons undergo intense dynamic load testing, ensuring emergency braking capabilities work flawlessly. Automated striping machines apply bright yellow thermoplastic hazard lines along the asphalt rim to demarcate boundaries. Engineers erect high-tech automated meteorological masts equipped with rotating wind gauges to track dangerous winds. The advanced weather array calibrates its internal sensors, shooting real-time system telemetry into the sky. High-pressure industrial air blowers blast away thick cloud covers along the path to secure visibility. Automated emergency response fleets execute high-speed tactical safety drills along the completed asphalt surface. Power engineers activate the main electrical grid control panel, lighting up automated diagnostic consoles inside bunkers.
As you can see, the crew behind me is battling extreme winds today to secure this cliff face. The conditions are incredibly challenging.
The construction sequence moves indoors, assembling the terminal's immense and beautifully curved metallic ceiling matrix. Technicians deploy high-definition digital flight information displays across walls, flashing system codes during configuration. High-speed automatic drivers anchor modern automated check-in kiosks directly into polished granite floors. Massive multi-layered baggage conveyor belt networks undergo intensive high-speed synchronization tests under bright facility lighting. Security specialists secure high-throughput advanced X-ray scanning units inside primary custom zones to handle screening. Heavy-lift helicopters airlift massive prefabricated structural steel jet bridges over the gap, moving through air. Ironworkers hang over a terrifying vertical drop on safety harnesses to lock connecting pins into place. High-precision hydraulic cylinders secure the swinging jet bridge mechanism directly into reinforced concrete terminal walls. Technicians calibrate advanced biometric security gates inside the departure lounge, testing automated glass doors. Industrial floor polishing machines sweep across the concourse floors, creating a mirror finish reflecting trusses. Engineers wire primary operational control consoles inside the fortified underground bunker, organizing thousands of lines. Teams mount massive backup power turbine generators onto high-performance mechanical dampening blocks to isolate vibrations. The emergency generator system fires up, unleashing immense mechanical pressure and throwing thick white steam. Engineers install a dense matrix of automated smoke detection laser grids along the high-vaulted ceiling framework. Colossal ventilation fan arrays activate simultaneously, blasting high-velocity air loops through the terminal to test pressure. Technicians weld heavy-duty underground stainless steel fuel networks beneath concrete aprons, throwing bright sparks. Giant yellow cranes lower automated fuel hydrant valves directly into fortified concrete pits along aircraft stands. Heavy fuel tanker trucks execute high-pressure circulation tests across the new apron to verify speeds. Pumping units force high-pressure nitrogen gas through fuel lines to verify absolute seal integrity. Teams assemble modern precision approach radar networks on a sheer, wind-swept mountain ledge overlooking corridors. Engineers climb vertical steel ladders at extreme heights, clinging to the structures amid dangerous gales to calibrate panels. The newly calibrated precision radar array pivots smoothly, slicing through dense valley cloud covers. Giant cranes hoist a colossal satellite communications dish onto its reinforced mountain peak foundation to secure connectivity. Technicians wire high-frequency transceiver modules inside the fortified communications hub room, organizing rows of cords. The massive satellite dish pivots skyward, launching its initial system transmission test toward global networks. Crews align automated laser guidance arrays directly along the runway touchdown zone to assist pilots. The laser guidance system activates for calibration, throwing brilliant red and white beams through fog. Autonomous industrial vacuum sweepers purge the entire asphalt surface, completely clearing away dangerous micro-debris. Engineers deploy advanced laser profile scanners to calculate precise runway friction metrics and ensure compliance. Security teams bolt massive automated surveillance camera towers directly into solid basalt cliffs flanking entries. Brave teams clinging precariously on giant towers over the chasm mount approach lighting. The landing light system activates, launching blinding white strobes straight through thick, swirling cloud formations. Laser alignment rigs scan structural light towers to secure micrometric geometric alignment over the Gulf. Hanging above a terrifying drop, fearless ironworkers bolt massive structural steel safety catchment nets. Autonomous chemical foam cannons unleash high-volume fire-retardant streams to execute critical emergency response tests. Technicians bolt advanced sonic wave bird deterrent systems directly onto heavy metal brackets along the runway. The automated sonic array test fires, generating powerful, invisible air pressure waves that vibrate loose gravel. Heavy winter clearance fleets drive in tight synchronization down the line to verify rapid operations. Crews route fiber optic security grids inside deep concrete trenches enclosing the complex to protect structures. The primary defense grid goes live inside the bunker, projecting active multi-layered threat detection maps. Engineers align automated water level sensors inside colossal concrete drainage channels flanking the base. Colossal hydraulic steel gates slam shut under extreme mechanical force, successfully blocking simulated floodwaters. Crews calibrate instrument landing system arrays at the cliff edge while fighting savage, unpredictable gales. The completed ILS network fires active telemetry signals straight into the sky to verify tracking capabilities. Friction test vehicles execute extreme high-speed braking maneuvers down the line, burning rubber and generating smoke. Engineers deploy automated laser sensors to verify absolute geometric precision of taxiway junctions under daylight. Giant yellow cranes position colossal jet blast deflector fences onto heavy reinforced concrete pads at the runway. Crews verify system pressure along heavy pipe manifolds inside the massive, highly secure fuel storage. Automated systems inject eco-friendly safety foam to test the main apron's high-volume fire suppression networks. Hundreds of neon-clad workers assemble modern modular furniture and blue seating benches inside the departure hall. Technicians mount futuristic electronic status screens over the main concourse, flashing rich digital matrices. Automated scrubber trains polish concourse floors, perfectly mirroring the massive glass wall architecture and peaks. Specialists calibrate biometric facial recognition gates inside the arrival customs zone, testing processing speed of sensors. The terminal's central operations control matrix goes online, projecting high-contrast video feeds and radar trajectories. Engineers power up subsurface server rooms, tracking thousands of data node relays across equipment racks. Crews align automated laser security grids wrapped along the vertical cliff perimeter to establish barriers. Warning light columns rotate dynamically, flashing intense orange strobe alerts into the clear sky to signal operations. Workers clinging precariously in violent mountain gales anchor high-power microwave antennas onto towers. The completed communication link fires up, sending baseline data streams to global aviation networks clearly. Ground power fleets roll out across finished concrete tarmacs to initiate final systems integration and testing. The Grand Triumph stands complete, showcasing vibrant digital matrices, colorful flight boards, and modular architecture. The matching operations crew stands unified inside a beautiful passenger terminal that completely defies natural power. Automated baggage carousels cycle flawlessly under modern industrial facility lights inside the core hub room. Advanced flight tracking systems glow inside the tower cab, securing absolute electronic control over the abyss. The completed 3,500-meter asphalt runway gleams proudly under the sun, ready to receive large commercial aircraft. Jet engines roar as massive commercial airliners execute high-stakes, dangerous takeoffs directly over the cliff. Incoming aircraft conquer extreme valley crosswinds, demonstrating absolute engineering dominance as they align with corridors. Massive airplane tires burn rubber on asphalt, proving structural perfection of the high-friction landing surface. Bhutan's $1.5 billion mechanical fortress stands supreme, a true structural miracle built in heaven.
Welcome to AeroVista, the world's first cliffside international hub. Officials say this project, years in the making, will revolutionize transatlantic travel.